kids! Good morning! This is Teacher LM and welcome back to our Math Online class. So today is Tuesday. Let's spell Tuesday, class. Tuesday I spell Tuesday. Tuesday. Alright, so before we're going to proceed to our lesson for this morning, let's have a short review first. Okay, so yesterday we studied number 42. Okay, so do you still remember how to spell number 42? Okay, now let's spell together number 42. Okay, so 42 I spell FORTYTWO. 42. Okay, now this morning class, we are going to study a new number. Can you guess what number is it? Okay, so this morning we are going to learn number 43. Okay, so we are going to count 43. Okay, so we have here object. Okay, so let's count together, class. Let's count number 43. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, so there are 43 objects are there. So now let's spell 43, class. Okay, everybody, let's spell 43. I spell FORTYTHREE. 43. Okay? Nice. So here, direction, find and circle number 43. So we are going to encircle number 43, class. So there are 4 rows, so we will circle. Let's find how many 43 are there in this screen. Okay, everybody? Let's find. There is two 43s in the first row. So let's circle 1, 2. Okay, in the second row, there are 2 43s. So let's circle 1, 2. In the third rows, there are 2 as well. Okay, so let's circle 1, 2. Okay, and the fourth, there are 2 43. Okay, there are 1 and 2. Okay, so we already identified number 43 in this screen. Good job, class. Okay, now let's spell one more time number 43. Okay, everybody, how do you spell 43 again? FORTYTHREE. 43. All right. So that would be all for this morning, class. Have a nice day. I hope you know already how to identify and spell number 43. See you this afternoon. Goodbye.